Hey everyone, and welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about the top AI skills you need in 2023. As you know, AI is rapidly changing the world. It is being used in a variety of industries, from healthcare to manufacturing to customer service. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to learn the top AI skills. Here are the top AI skills you need in 2023. 1. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective prompts to elicit the desired response from AI language models like GPT-4 to truly appreciate the value of this skill. Let's think of AI as a genie in a bottle. If you don't ask the genie the right question or make the right wish, you might not get the outcome you desire. In the same vein, mastering prompt engineering allows you to communicate with AI systems more effectively and efficiently. But what does it mean to be a good prompt engineer? It involves understanding the context, being precise with your language, and anticipating possible responses. It's a skill that relies on creativity, logic, and an understanding of human language. For instance, imagine you are a content writer tasked with creating a blog post about the benefits of dating apps. Instead of using a generic prompt, like write a blog about dating apps, craft a more targeted and engaging prompt. Like you are now an expert relationship coach. I want you to write a blog post about the top 5 benefits of using dating apps for men by refining your prompt. You help the AI language model generate content that is more relevant, focused, and appealing to your target audience. If you are interested to learn prompt engineering for free, watch my prompt engineering course video link available in the description. So let's move to next skills. 2. AI-powered personal branding. In the age of AI, personal branding has taken on a whole new dimension. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can create a unique and memorable personal brand that sets you apart from the crowd. But what exactly does AI-powered personal branding entail, and why should you care? Well, think of your personal brand as a mosaic, a collection of pieces that come together to form a complete picture of who you are, what you stand for, and what you bring to the table. Now imagine using AI to enhance and refine each piece of that mosaic, making it even more vibrant and captivating. For example, you could use AI-generated logos to create a stunning visual identity for your brand. Or you could leverage AI-powered content generation tools to craft engaging articles or social media posts. To showcase your expertise and thought leadership, even your online interactions can be enhanced. With AI as virtual assistants can help you manage your social media presence, engage with your audience, and ensure that your brand remains consistent across various platforms. Let's take the case of a freelance graphic designer looking to build their personal brand. They could use AI-powered design tools to create eye-catching portfolio pieces, demonstrating their skills and creativity. 3. Data storytelling and visualization. Data storytelling and visualization. By transforming raw data into captivating narratives and visuals, you can make your findings more accessible, relatable, and persuasive. But why is this skill so crucial in the age of AI? As AI systems become more adept at analyzing and processing vast amounts of data, our ability to extract meaningful insights from that data becomes increasingly valuable. Data storytime allows us to bridge the gap between cold, hard numbers and the human experiences that those numbers represent. Take, for example, a non-profit organization working to address the global water crisis. By using data storytelling, they could transform complex data on water scarcity, usage patterns, and environmental factors into a compelling narrative that inspires action. They could create an interactive map that shows the severity of water scarcity across different regions, or develop an animated infographic that illustrates the impact of water-saving initiatives. Similarly, imagine a product manager at a technology company who needs to present user data to their team instead of drowning their colleagues in spreadsheets and charts. The product manager could use data storytelling to create a concise and engaging presentation. They could craft a narrative that highlights the most critical user pain points and showcases the potential impact of proposed solutions, all supported by visually appealing and easy-to-understand graphics. 4. Creative AI thinking. Creative AI thinking is the ability to envision novel, innovative, and transformative applications of AI technology. It's about looking beyond traditional use cases and exploring the boundaries of what AI can accomplish. But why is this skill so vital in the AI world? Simply put, AI is reshaping our world in unprecedented ways. By fostering creative AI thinking, we can uncover new possibilities, solve complex problems, and elevate our work to new heights. The magic lies in the fusion of human creativity and the power of AI, resulting in groundbreaking solutions that were previously unimaginable. Consider an artist who uses AI to generate unique, mesmerizing visuals for their digital art by leveraging AI's pattern recognition and generative capabilities. The artist can create stunning pieces that challenge the boundaries of traditional art forms. Similarly, a musician could harness AI to compose music that blends genres and styles in entirely new ways, breaking free from the confines of conventional composition. 5. AI business strategy and implementation. AI business strategy and implementation, and the rapidly evolving world of AI, having a clear business strategy and implementation plan is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. But what does this skill entail, and why is it so important and effective? AI business strategy involves identifying opportunities to integrate AI within your organization, assessing potential risks, and developing a roadmap for achieving your goals. It's about understanding the broader implications of AI and harnessing its power to drive innovation, efficiency, and competitive advantage. For instance, consider a retail company looking to optimize its supply chain by leveraging AI-driven forecasting and inventory management systems. The company could streamline its operations, reduce waste, and ultimately boost its bottom line. The key to success lies in developing a comprehensive AI strategy that addresses challenges such as data privacy concerns and the need for employee training. 6. AI project management. AI project management. As AI continues to permeate various industries, the demand for skilled AI project managers is on the rise. But what does it take to excel in this role, and why is it so vital in the age of AI? Project management requires a unique blend of technical and non-technical skills. To successfully oversee AI projects, you'll need to understand the underlying technology, coordinate cross-functional teams, manage expectations, and keep a close eye on budgets and timelines. Imagine you're tasked with implementing an AI-powered customer service chatbot for a major airline. As the AI project manager, you'll need to liaise with stakeholders, identify key requirements, and ensure that the chatbot aligns with the company's brand and customer service standards. You'll also need to anticipate potential challenges such as language barriers and system integration issues and develop contingency plans to address these concerns. 7. Natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the AI subfield that focuses on understanding and interpreting human language. While this skill might seem technical on the surface, having a basic grasp of NLP is invaluable for anyone looking to thrive in the AI world. By understanding the fundamentals of NLP, you'll be better equipped to work with AI systems that process text or speech, design user-friendly interfaces, and ensure that AI-generated content is both relevant and high quality. Consider a social media manager who uses NLP-powered sentiment analysis tools to gauge public opinion on a new product launch. By understanding the principles of NLP, the manager can fine-tune their queries, interpret the results, and devise more effective strategies for engaging with their audience. 8. Curiosity and continuous learning. Curiosity and continuous learning. In the ever-evolving realm of AI, curiosity and continuous learning are your secret weapons for staying ahead of the pack. But why are these traits so important? And how can you nurture them in your professional journey? In embracing curiosity and continuous learning means staying abreast of the latest AI developments, experimenting with new tools, and remaining open to feedback and change. By fostering this mindset, you'll be better equipped to adapt to the shifting AI landscape and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Picture a marketing professional who discovers an AI-powered tool that can optimize their advertising campaigns, driven by curiosity. The marketer takes the initiative to learn the ins and outs of the tool, testing various features and configurations to determine the optimal strategy. By embracing continuous learning, the marketer not only enhances their skill set, but also unlocks new possibilities for their organizations. 9. Intuitive understanding of AI limitations. Intuitive understanding of AI limitations. Recognizing the limitations of AI technology is a critical skill that can help you make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and champion responsible AI practices. So what does it mean to have an intuitive understanding of AI limitations, and why is it essential in today's world developing an intuitive understanding of AI? Limitations involves knowing when AI can be beneficial and when it might not be the best solution, as well as being aware of potential ethical concerns and biases. This skill enables you to strike the right balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and avoiding its pitfalls. For example, a recruiter using AI-powered tools to sift through job applications must be cautious not to inadvertently introduce bias into the hiring process by understanding the limitations of the AI system. The recruiter can ensure that the technology is used ethically and responsibly, fostering a more diverse and inclusive workplace. You have made it this far. We really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100, so we know that you watched the entire video. Now you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI. I've got great content coming up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.